Hello, lovely therapists. As someone who's dedicated my life to helping others, I know that running a private practice can be a really challenging and sometimes overwhelming endeavor. And that's why I'm here to introduce you to Private Practice 101, which is the comprehensive membership that's designed to help therapists just like you to build a thriving and flourishing private practice. If you've downloaded my free bundle, the Communication Cure Correspondence Templates for Effective Therapy Practice, then you already know how important it is to communicate effectively with your clients, referrers, and key stakeholders. But effective communication is just the beginning. To truly succeed in private practice, you also need guidance and support in other areas of the business. Private Practice 101 provides you with the tools that you need to build a strong online presence, a really strong brand, establish a solid marketing strategy, and create an effective business plan. The online courses and training, the live coaching sessions, and the one-on-one support help you take your practice to where you want it to go so that you can achieve the success that you dream of and, of course, deserve. I mean, imagine feeling really confident and empowered as a therapist, knowing that you've got all the skills and resources that you need to build the private practice of your dreams. Imagine having a steady and consistent flow of clients coming to you and a thriving practice that represents and reflects your own unique strengths and values. So with Private Practice 101, your dream gets to become a reality. Okay, so I invite you to join the community of successful therapists and take the first step yourself to building a profitable and thriving private practice. So sign up for Private Practice 101 today and let me support you to achieve your private practice goals. Thank you, and thank you so much for continuing to do the important work that you do. Bye for now.